back to my channel, Duct Tape Mechanic. In this video, I'm going to show you how I got this free leaf blower on Facebook Marketplace and I repaired it. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more DIY and tinkering videos. Alright guys, welcome back. Here I've got this leaf blower or a leaf vacuum, I think it does both, that I picked up for free on Facebook Marketplace. The reason it was for free is because the original owner said that it doesn't turn on. So we're going to try to figure out what's going on and see if we can get this thing running and potentially out of the trash heap. If you're new to electronics or fixing electronics, I highly recommend working on stuff that has the problem of that it won't turn on, because typically those are the easiest to repair and you learn a lot of things along the way. So let's go ahead and tear this thing apart and see what's going on. If you're new to free on Facebook Marketplace, I welcome you to a series of videos in which I find things for free on Facebook Marketplace and repair, reuse, or recycle them, thus giving them a second lease on life and preventing them from going into the trash heap. Alright, so the first step is to make sure that it indeed does not turn on. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in. We've got it plugged in. I'm going to turn the switch here and see that it doesn't turn on. So next step is we're going to tear it apart. After opening up the casing, I did a couple of continuity tests on the switches the leaf blower had and quickly came across something atypical. As we found out what's wrong with it. Looks like somebody electrical taped the fuse here, or it was like this. It's hard to tell, but I don't think there's a connection between the fuse goes in. So I can just unhook this. Yeah, I don't think the fuse is connected at all. I think after probing along just shortly, this is a universal motor. I can just tell because it has it's powered by an AC here, but it's got the brushes on the commutator, so that's one way to tell what kind of motor it is. But you can tell it looks like there's some electrical tape on this fuse here, but I kind of feel where it's come off right here and it's not connected to anything. So if you try to test for continuity all the way through the fuse, you get nothing. So I'm going to take this tape off right here and see what's going on. Yep. And like I said, I don't think there's continuity. So there's no continuity from here to the top of this fuse here. And it's electrical tape together and it's really wobbly, so I'm going to see. Yeah, there's your culprit. This is strange stuff. So it looks like somebody just spliced in the fuse and it's just lost contact in there for a while. Yep. So that's strange. So we'll put our meter back on there. And check if the fuse is working. somebody just soldered on the fuse like this. The fuse itself is okay. We test it. No break. So what I gotta do is fix this, and we should be good to go. To repair this, I just simply soldered the wire back onto the fuse and used heat shrink tubing to insulate the connection. If you are concerned about damaging the fuse while soldering, then they do make these inline fuse holders that all you have to do is just crimp them on. This one cost like $2, but it just happened that it came in after I'd already made the repair. And just as a preventative measure, I applied oil to the front and the rear bearings of the motor. After that, I put everything back together. Alright, so let's plug this in and see how it goes. Alright, looks like it's back in service. I'll probably be giving this away to one of my neighbors because I already have one of these, but that's how you fix it.